Welcome back. Ah! Welcome back to fixing the animatronics or repairing animatronics, part 3. Part 3. Still making Bonnie, even though I said I would make Chica. But trust me, after this one, we're gonna do Chica, maybe with her Chica. I don't know. So, let's get started, shall we? So now last time we got the endo correct and his face on the body. So now, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you something in the last episode. You do not need this. So get rid of that. And this feet will not, oh, the feet does go away. Oh. Will this go away? Okay, maybe not. Anyway, back to what we were doing. We're gonna get this endoskeleton right. So, we're gonna put his arm on first. So, let's, ooh, I moved the table. So now let's take this. Come on, I can't see this. I cannot see this boy. Why is the body not falling?
Ah, the table.
The table just fell by accident. So we're just gonna fix that real quick. Yep, there we go. Power code stay there. And I have my Freddy mask just in case. I don't know why. Let's take this. Is it because of the head? There we go. Come on. There you go. That's it. So now you're gonna put, what just happened? Alright, so now we're gonna put the foot on. Alright, so we're gonna spawn. Nope. We have to spawn one of Bonnie's feet, but we cannot. I do not know why. Let's just take, maybe I should have saved it. Well, now we're gonna have to do it all over again. Color correction and stuff. We're gonna have to do the stuff again. So let's just do that real quick. Even though it spent me like 3 minutes getting the endo on. There. Come on. There. But he's looking that way for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, back to what I was trying to do. No. What? I don't know what to do. Okay, first off, can I remove this? No, I'm not even gonna try and remove it. Let's get Bonnie's hand on. How do I get this on? I gotta read the manual real quick. Alright guys, I came back. I know how to do this. Alright. So let's just do this real quick. Alright, we're almost done. So we're gonna need a new Bonnie. Oh. Never mind, we don't need a new Bonnie. Alright, I'll just tell you when this is done and I'll stand him up. Alright, let's just go. I guess I'll see you when I'm done. Do this. Got that. Yep, almost done, guys. Guys, I'm actually almost done. This Bonnie is here and almost ready for action. Alright, guys, so there. This is a new Bonnie. Well, not new, it's from Fredbear's Family Diner. All we gotta do is get Withered Bonnie's buttons and add them onto here. So, let's do that. Alright. So first... There we go. Almost done. I do not know what's happening. Help. Okay, maybe we need a little bubble. There we go. Spawn 2 of those. Alright guys, so I got Bonnie's buttons. I'm adding them right now. Alright guys, so Bonnie's buttons right now are white. We don't want that. So we are going to get our color, get it onto black, and color. Where'd that just go? Anyway, I'll be right back again. Man, this one's taking longer than last time. Hold on, guys. I think I got something. Whoa. Ooh. I got it, guys. Look, I found some buttons in the back. But they're too big. So we'll just have to use one button if we use these ones. And that's not gonna happen. I'll be back. Man, this video has gone for 8 minutes and 21 seconds. Let's see. All right. Alright guys, this is what I found so far. Okay, watch this. Okay guys, so I think these tires are too big. I meant the buttons. Yep, the button's too big. Anyway, let's find one together. Okay, you know those bubbles? Or something looking bubbles? I don't know. Plastic. Okay, here should be the bubble. I meant the button. Nope, too big. Whoa! Okay, now that is too big for a button. Where did they get that at? Too big. Perfect size. Alright, so we're going to spawn both of these. And I will be back when I put these on. Alright, let's just do this. Sorry guys, I just ran from the pizzeria to the toilet. Anyway, back to our training, you know. Dum, dum. Alright. No messing around. Time to do... Where did they go? Oh, okay. Well... we had a system crash. Guys. Oh, never mind, I fixed it. Alright. Oh no, my battery's running low. Let's just... Oh, it's not in all the way, that's why. Alright. Let's color these now. First off, where's the other ball? There it is. Sorry, guys. What was that? I heard something. Please tell me. Yes. Yes, we did it. Yeah, these buttons are actually too big. Oh! Alright. We're still on the hunt. I know we will find one. Somewhere. Any? Oh my gosh. I don't think any of these will work, so we're gonna go. I'll just tell you when I have the buttons on. So yeah, you can go. Okay. That's too big. Perfect! Thank you, Team Fortress 2. We can even color them, and they're flat. Let's go. We are fixing this Bonnie in no time. And that's what I was worried about. If they're too big. This one's even bigger. It's big. Okay, is there anything that's round and black? And small? You know what? We're just gonna have to use these. Alright guys, so I talked to my boss and he said there's no way I can get them on without using the old Bonnie. So this is him. We fixed it. I'm happy. We fixed the Bonnie. Anyway. Until next time. Let's remake.